These two little girls were just trying to fly home for the weekend, but what happened next was a once-in-a-lifetime travel dream. It all started when an airline employee told them something they couldn't believe.
We have the whole plane to ourselves.
On a plane that holds over 170 people, they were the only two passengers booked. Realizing they basically had a private jet all to themselves, they decided to make the most of it, buying cakes to celebrate their VIP flight. When they boarded, the crew was in on the fun, treating them like true celebrities. The flight attendant even made this hilarious announcement just for them.
All right, Savannah and Natalie, we have now reached 10,000 feet.
The special treatment didn't stop there. The pilots even let them sit in the cockpit after landing. Imagine getting a private jet experience for the price of a regular ticket. If you wish this would happen to you, subscribe.